The 2027 Yamaha AG 175 continues the legacy of one of Yamaha's most respected utility motorcycles. Built for riders who demand reliability in every environment, this machine is designed to handle farms, rough countryside roads, and everyday transportation with confidence. The AG series has always been known for its rugged construction, and the 2027 model carries that reputation forward with modern improvements while staying true to its practical roots. This is the kind of motorcycle that values durability over unnecessary complexity, making it a dependable partner for years of hard use. At first glance, the new AG 175 retains its classic identity, but several subtle refinements give it a cleaner and more modern appearance. The updated body panels, improved graphics, redesigned front fender, and stronger luggage racks create a fresh look without sacrificing functionality. Yamaha has focused on making every component useful, ensuring the motorcycle is prepared for demanding daily work while still looking attractive on any road or trail. Powering the 2027 Yamaha AG 175 is an air-cooled single-cylinder engine that focuses on dependable low-end torque instead of outright speed. This engine is designed to deliver smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and easy maintenance. Whether climbing steep hills, carrying cargo, or traveling through rough terrain, the power delivery remains predictable and reliable. Riders who value long-term durability will appreciate the engine's proven engineering and straightforward mechanical design. The suspension system has also received careful attention. Strong telescopic front forks and reinforced rear shock absorbers are built to absorb bumps, potholes, gravel, and uneven tracks with ease. The comfortable suspension setup allows riders to spend long hours on the motorcycle without excessive fatigue. Combined with a sturdy frame, the AG 175 remains stable and confident even when carrying heavy loads or traveling through challenging environments. Practicality has always been the AG 175's greatest strength. The 2027 model includes heavy-duty cargo racks, a comfortable seat, durable handguards, protective chain covers, and a reinforced rear section capable of supporting equipment or supplies. These features make the motorcycle especially valuable for agricultural workers, delivery riders, and anyone who needs a dependable machine for demanding daily tasks. Fuel efficiency is expected to remain one of the strongest selling points of the 2027 Yamaha AG 175. Yamaha engineers have focused on maximizing mileage while maintaining reliable performance under load. The generous fuel tank allows riders to cover long distances between refueling stops, making this motorcycle an excellent choice for rural areas where fuel stations may be limited. Low operating costs continue to make the AG 175 a smart investment. The riding position is designed with comfort and control in mind. Wide handlebars, an upright seating posture, and easily accessible controls allow riders of different experience levels to feel comfortable almost immediately. Whether navigating busy village roads, crossing open farmland, or exploring rugged trails, the AG 175 offers excellent visibility and predictable handling that inspires confidence throughout the ride. Safety and durability go hand in hand on the new AG 175. Strong braking performance, dependable tires, bright lighting, and Yamaha's proven engineering provide reassurance in both daytime and nighttime conditions. Every component is designed to withstand years of demanding use, reflecting Yamaha's commitment to building motorcycles that continue performing even under the toughest working conditions. Maintenance remains refreshingly simple. Routine servicing is straightforward. Replacement parts are generally easy to obtain in many markets, and the motorcycle's mechanical simplicity reduces repair costs over time. This makes the AG 175 especially attractive for owners who depend on their motorcycle every day and need a machine that spends more time working than sitting in a repair shop. While many modern motorcycles emphasize advanced electronics and luxury features, the 2027 Yamaha AG 175 focuses on reliability, practicality, and real-world performance. It proves that a motorcycle doesn't need unnecessary technology to earn the trust of riders. Its straightforward design is exactly why the AG series has remained respected across generations and continues to serve countless riders around the world. If Yamaha officially introduces the 2027 AG 175 globally, it is expected to attract attention from farmers, outdoor workers, adventure enthusiasts, and riders searching for an affordable yet incredibly dependable motorcycle. Its legendary reputation, combined with thoughtful updates, could make it one of the most practical motorcycles available in its category. Thank you for watching Acer Autos. If you enjoy discovering the latest motorcycle news, upcoming models, detailed reviews, and exciting automotive updates, make sure to subscribe to Acer Autos and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know whether the 2027 Yamaha AG 175 deserves a place among Yamaha's greatest utility motorcycles.